question 2. Well, this is question 7, question 6 for us. What is the free rider problem? So we'll start with that. Free rider problem is defined as the problem which takes place when demand is more The free rider problem is defined as the problem which takes place when demand is more, supply is more, but price of the goods and services provided to the customers is less. Okay, just lacking a little bit of commas there. It causes loss to manufacturers, which means that the supply could be reduced. The purchasing is done by the customers paying less than the actual value of the product. So basically, it's when people can enjoy a product without paying for it, and that is a problem because the manufacturers, the people selling the product, are not making as much as they could be because other people are able to enjoy it without paying for it. They're able to enjoy the good or the service without paying for it. How do public television stations like PBS try to overcome the free rider problem? They try to overcome the free rider problem by providing appropriate price of the product, which means that demand would achieve revenues on its supply. A free rider problem could be resolved if the customer is ready to pay the actual price of the product by advertising the product very well. It tends to increase the supply of demand, the supply and the demand of the product at the actual price. That's a lot. But basically, other ways they try to overcome the free rider problem is just decreasing supply just to have greater revenue, because if people aren't buying it but they're still consuming it, if you decrease supply and increase prices, then it doesn't really stop the free rider problem, but it just also increases your profit a bit. And what are 2 characteristics of public goods? Key characteristics of public goods are as follows. The supply of goods is accepted by the customers in the market. It gives high revenues. Okay. This is not that great an answer, so we'll just answer this. 2 key characteristics of public goods are that it is non-rival and non-excludable. So, non-rival means that basically when you're using the public good, it doesn't stop someone else from using that public good. So more than one person can use the public good or benefit from the public good at the same time. And non-excludable basically means that you can't really stop anyone from consuming the good because, let's say, for example, they didn't pay for it, like the free rider problem. So you can't really stop anyone from consuming the good. Anyone can consume the good. And a perfect example of this are fireworks. Wow. Say fireworks because you can't really stop anyone from consuming the benefit that fireworks have because everyone sees it in the sky when they light up. and they're non-rival because as I, let's say I'm the one with the fireworks, as I set up the fireworks, it doesn't stop another person from using those same fireworks, because again, you're just looking up in the sky and you see them, and everyone can benefit from it. So let's say solution is incorrect for the most part. Say solution is incorrect.